Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, March 1. So, ang topic po natin for this day is paano lumalim sa Biblia, special series 5 of 10, Noahic Covenant. So, ano po ba yung Noahic Covenant? Ang Noahic Covenant po it emphasizes that God's mercy and commitment to sustaining the world despite human sin. It serves as a foundation for understanding God's patience and common grace, ensuring that creation continues until His ultimate redemptive plan is fulfilled in our Lord Jesus Christ. So, yung Noahic Covenant po, yung background po nito is yung Genesis chapter 6 verse 18. So, babasahin ko po. So, but I will establish my covenant with you, and you will enter the ark, you and your sons, and your wife, and your sons' wives with you. So, ibig sabihin po, dito po yung kinlens po ng ating Panginoon yung earth. Ibig sabihin, pinagawa niya po si Noah ng barko, ng ark, in order for Noah and his family to be safe. Kasi nga po kinlens ni God yung buong earth para po mawala po yung kasalanan, kasi back in time of Noah, sobrang makasalanan po talaga yung tao. Kaya kinlens po ng ating Panginoon. Pero yung pagbaba ni Noah, nagalay po siya sa ating Panginoon at naamoy ng ating Panginoon yun. Nangako po siya kay Noah na hindi na niya po ulit-ulitin yung pagbaha sa buong mundo. So, kasi dahil prepare na po ng ating Diyos ang pagdating po ng ating Panginoon Kristo, where si Jesus Christ po yung magliligtas po sa atin, sa ating mga kasalanan. So, first teaching is God preserves creation for redemption. So, ibig sabihin, despite human sin, God ensures the world remains to fulfill His plan of salvation. Pangalawang teaching naman po is God removes evil from creation. For example, through judgment, sabihin yung flood, God demonstrates His justice while preserving the righteous. Ibig sabihin, hindi nga po namatay si Noah at yung kanyang pamilya, kasi alam ni God na righteous sila. And of course, in order for God to preserve yung mga tao na lang sa mundo na mababait. Last teaching natin is God will fully restore creation. Ibig sabihin, the covenant points toward the future restoration of the world through Jesus Christ. Literally, ibig sabihin, pinipare po ng ating Panginoon ang mundo para pagdating ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo ay okay na at mariredeem na po tayo ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo through sacrificing Himself. So, ako po si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, March 1. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Ayun na po, and God bless. See you all tomorrow.